Тэгэхэд бол санхүүгийн зохицуулалтын байгууллагуудын чиг хандлагыг гадны улсын жишээнд тухайн солонгос улсын жишээнд бас илтгэл тавих хүн маань бол солонгосын санхүүгийн үйлчлэгийг яг гэх юм олон улсын санхүүгийн үйлчлэгийг захирал ноён Парк Юн-сун гэдэг хүн байна. За Канадаар дараагийн хүмүүсийн бас эндэрт өрж байна. Санхүүгийн зохицуулалт орны хяналтын зөвлөлийн дарга эзэмшин базар санхүүгийн зохицуулалт орны гишүүн Хитааны гамбайнаар таавахыг өрж байна. Ингээд илтгэгч авсарыг Mr. Park Yun-sung, Director of International Financial Division of the Financial Services Commission. Илтгэл англи дээр юм тэгээд орчуулгын шаардлагатай орчуулгын төхөөрөмж тийм юм. Сахар орчуулга болж байна.
Good afternoon. I am Yun-sung Park, Director of International Finance Division of Korea Financial Services Commission. Thank you very much for inviting me today. It is a great honor to speak about Korean financial supervisor framework in front of distinguished guests. Currently, Korea has an integrated financial supervisor system. The financial authority supervises and regulates all financial sectors: banking, insurance, securities, and non-bank financial institutions. But before the Asian financial crisis in 1997, we had separate bodies in charge of supervising each financial sector. But after the crisis, we consolidated the supervisory authorities to swiftly overcome the financial crisis and to effectively respond to the changing environment such as liberalization, deregulation, and globalization. This is the first phase reform. Under this framework, the Financial Supervisory Commission and the Financial Supervisory Service were responsible for the implementation of regulation and supervision. On the other hand, the Ministry of Finance and Economy was responsible for designing regulation and financial policies such as the Banking Act, Credit Card Act, and Depositor Protection System. In slide 3. In 2008, second phase reform took place. With the new president inaugurated in that year, government organizations and ministries were reshuffled for greater productivity. As a result, the Financial Services Commission was launched, bringing together the financial policy function and financial supervisory function under a single organization. In summary, the FSC is in charge of both devising and implementing financial policies. But a few things remain the same under this framework. For example, the central bank was still responsible for monetary policy, and the Ministry of Strategy and Finance, which is basically the same as the Ministry of the Finance and Economy, was responsible for foreign exchange policy. This overall framework continues to be effective until today. Page. Okay. The key organizations in this supervisory framework are the FSC and the FSS. Some people have difficulties in understanding the relationship between the Financial Services Commission and the Financial Supervisory Service. This will be elaborated in detail later in this presentation. This slide shows overall structure of the Korean Financial Supervisory Framework. In this slide, you can see the Securities and Futures Commission, called the SFC, under the FSC. The role of Securities and Futures Committee is supervision of securities and futures market. Supervision of securities and futures markets is different from other supervisory activities. Other supervisory activities involve supervision of financial firms, such as giving banking license and business suspension. However, securities and futures supervision does unfair trade investigation and accounting audit, which directly influences general public. Therefore, to more efficiently handle these functions, we set up a separate organization under the FSC. As explained earlier, the key components of the Korean Supervisory Framework are the FSC and the FSS. The FSC is responsible for legislation of supervisory laws and regulations, licensing, sanctions, and oversight of securities and futures market. And one of the most important duties of FSC is supervision of the FSS. On the other hand, the FSS is an implementing body of the FSC. The FSS executes supervision activities under the FSC's guidance. Next slide. The FSS staff are not civil servants, so the FSS is financed by financial firms' contributions, not by government budget. We keep the FSS as a private organization to attract talented workforce with the high salary. The FSS's budget is also under FSC supervision and guidance. Next slide. Okay. Under the FSC, we also have Korea Deposit Protection Corporation, which is called KDIC, and Korea Asset Management Corporation, called KEMCO. KDIC is responsible for depositor protection. KEMCO disposes non-performing loans after acquiring them from banks and financial firms. As the financial markets are interrelated with the FX market and monetary policy, the FSC consults closely with the Ministry of Strategic Finance and the Bank of Korea, which is Central Bank of Korea. And the last slide shows division of responsibilities among FSC, FSS, Ministry of Strategic Finance, and Bank of Korea. Each country has its own history and different environment. Korean system is also a legacy of our history. In fact, Korean financial supervisory system is quite unique. It can be a good reference, but at the same time, it is just a reference. This brings an end to my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.